Hi, my name is Amit. I'm a senior mentor at MBA Easy. We're a CAT training institute based in Patna. In this video, we are going to discuss a CAT 2021 solution question of inequalities from slot 1. Okay, so this is an inequality question from slot 1 of CAT 2021. Very beautiful question, but still a question which can be which many student can feel to be on the difficult side because inequality is generally perceived on a difficult side. But no, you'll be pleasantly surprised to see the kind of solution that we are going to provide in this video. This question can be solved within 40-45 seconds if you solve it in a particular method, that is graphically. So we're going to discuss this question, solve this question by graphical means. Okay, all right. So let us go through the question first. You have to find the number of integers n निकालने कितने सारे ऐसे integers होंगे जो इस inequality को satisfy करेंगे, right? So the inequality is mod of n minus 60 less than mod of n minus 100, which is less than mod of n minus 20. Okay, now see, what does mod of n minus 60, mod of n minus 100, mod of n minus 20 mean? We'll understand that first, then this question becomes really simple to solve. So see, mod of n minus 60, let us understand what does it mean. If I take n as, let's say 50, I'll get 50 minus 60 minus 10 का mod कितना आ जाएगा, 10 आ जाएगा. If I take n as 65, it will become 65 minus 65, 5 का mod कितना आ जाएगा, 5 आ जाएगा, right? If I take n as 70, it will give me 70 minus 60, 10, 10 का mod कितना आ जाएगा, 10 आ जाएगा. Now see here, if you take a number line, on this number line plot these 3 points, 60, 100 and 20. So you have 60 here, you have 100 here, you have 20 here. Now see carefully, n is equal to 50 मैंने लिया था, 50, तो मेरी वैल्यू कितनी आई थी, 10 आई थी, जो क्या है 50 से 60 के बीच का डिस्टेंस है. 50 से 60 के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना होगा, 10 यूनिट. इफ आई टेक n as 65, 65, सो 65 और 60 के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना होगा, 5 यूनिट, और यहां भी वैल्यू क्या आई थी, 5 आई थी. सो बेसिकली n minus 60 का mod denotes distance of n from 60, right? So this is distance of n from 60, right? ये इसकी वैल्यू है. सो बेसिकली n minus 60 दिखा रहा है n का डिस्टेंस 60 से, n minus 100 mod बता रहा है n का डिस्टेंस 100 से, n minus 20 का mod दिखा रहा है n का डिस्टेंस 20 से. इन जनरल x minus a denotes distance of x from a on the number line. That is the basic idea. Very simple yet very important idea, because ये idea अगर आपको एग्जाम में क्लिक किया तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आसानी से आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, as you will notice. जैसे इस क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं आप, let us solve this question. See, we have the inequality given to us. Now what does the first part of inequality mean? n minus 100, n minus 60 mod less than n minus 100 mod means that मुझे ऐसा n लेना है जिसका डिस्टेंस 60 से कम हो और 100 से ज्यादा हो, राइट? सो 60 और 100 के बीचों बीच क्या आएगा, 80 आएगा. इफ आई टेक माई n एज 80, सो 80 लूंगा तो 80 से इसकी वैल्यू भी 20 आएगी, इसकी वैल्यू भी 20 आएगी, बोथ विल बी 20. लेकिन मुझे तो ये कम रखना है, यानी मुझे ऐसा n लेना है जो 60 से क्लोजर हो और 100 से दूर हो, राइट? You have to select n in such a manner that it is closer to 60 than to 100. So clearly midweight 80 है, मैं इससे एक कम 79 से स्टार्ट करूंगा and I'll go to the left hand side. All the points from 79 to the left hand side will be closer to 60 than to 60. So for the first inequality to satisfy, n has to be less than or equal to 79. 79 या इससे छोटा कोई भी नंबर लूंगा वो 60 से ज्यादा नजदीक होगा, 100 से ज्यादा दूर होगा, राइट? Now let us look at the second part of the inequality. Second part में क्या है, n minus 100 mod is less than n minus 20 mod. Means that I have to select n which is closer to 100 than to 20. 100 से नजदीक हो, 20 से दूर हो. 20 और 100 के बीचों बीच क्या है, 60. बीचों बीच है 60, तो 60 लूंगा तो ये भी 40, ये भी 40, दोनों की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी, 40 and 40. But this will not satisfy, so I will select all the values जो 60 से बड़ा हो. 60 से बड़ा लूंगा, से 61 से स्टार्ट करूंगा. If I start from 61, I will get एवरीथिंग 61 से नीचे इस तरफ चलूंगा राइट हैंड साइड में, तो सारे नंबर्स 100 से क्लोजर होंगे और 21 से थोड़ा सा दूर होंगे, ज्यादा दूर होंगे. So for this inequality, the second part to satisfy, n has to be right greater than or equal to 61. So n has to be less than equal to 79, n has to be greater than equal to 61. So common जो points होंगे वो क्या होंगे, 61 से start करूंगा और 79 तक जाऊंगा, इसके beyond नहीं जा सकता, right? So 61 to 79, how many integers are there? 79 minus 61 plus 1. Why are we adding 1 here? Because when I do 79 minus 61, I am not counting 61. So in order to compensate for that, we are adding 1. So this is 18 plus 1. 19 such integers are possible. So your answer is option D, 19. Clearly, as you can see, this question can be solved in a very simple manner if I do it graphically on the number line. और ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आसानी से सॉल्व हो सकता है within 40-45 seconds, not more than that. Right? So this was CAT 2021 slot 1 question. No quants question, right? I hope you have understood the basic idea behind this question, the funda behind this question, and the solution also. So keep hooked on to this channel, guys. If you like these videos, you can subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep you posting many more important videos, beautiful videos, very questions which will be very useful for your CAT preparation. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.